Hello students, good morning to all of you. So students, we meet daily in our Hindi class and today we are meeting in our English class. So you can see here your English textbook. I hope you all got your English textbook and if anyone has not, then you can see here. So students, you can see here your contents and in your contents the first chapter is revision. So students, revision means recall your previous knowledge. It means इस क्लास से पहले आपने क्या पढ़ा है, आपको क्या आता है और जो भी आता है उसको पुनः दोहरान करना. क्या करना? रिकॉल यानी दोहरान करना. ओके, नाउ लेट्स वी डू स्टार्ट. You can see here your first question. Write the letter that comes just after the given letter. Okay, so students, you all know about alphabet. Okay, and here you can see some letters. Here you can see the letter C. So here we note down the letter that just comes after C. So what comes after C? C के बाद क्या आता है? Yes, D. Here is D. And next is P. So what comes after P? P के बाद क्या आएगा? Q. Okay, it's Q. Next is F. Then what comes just after F? It's G. Next is T. Then what comes just after T? It's U. Next is J. And what comes after J? Yes, it's K. Okay, and next is X. So you tell what comes after X? Yes, it's Y. So students, now we see the question number 2. Here write the letter that comes just in the middle of the given letter. So students, middle यानी बीच में. You can see here 2 letters, means यहाँ आपको 2 letter दिए हुए हैं and 1 blank box. Okay, so here in blank box we note down the letter that comes in middle. Okay, so you can see the letter B and D. So what comes middle after B and before D? So it's C. After B and before D, it's C. Okay, next is Q and S. So after Q and before S, it's R. Okay, clear it? Next is F. F and H. So after F and before H, it's G. Next is T and V. So after T and before V, it's U. Next is L. L and N. So after L and before N, it's M. Next is X. So after X and before Z, that's middle. Okay, it's Y. Okay, clear it? So now let me see the next question, number 3. Write the letter that comes just before the given letter. Okay, it means हमें वह लेटर यहाँ लिखना है जो इस लेटर से पहले आता है. Okay, so what comes just before C? Yes, it's B. Next is what comes before C? It's B. Next is P. तो what comes before P? P से पहले क्या आएगा? It's O. Next is F. What comes just before F? It's E. Next is T. So what comes before T? It's S. Next is J. J से पहले क्या आएगा? It's I. Okay. Next is X. What comes just before X? It's W. Clear it? Now let's we do question number 4th. Okay. Or question number 4th is write the missing letters. Okay. So students, here you can see a table, and in table some blocks are blank, and here you can see some letters. Okay. So here we note down the letters that are missing. It means यहाँ जो letters नहीं दिए हुए हैं उनको हम यहाँ लिखेंगे. So let's do start. First is A. After A, B, and C, D, E, F, G, H. After H, I, J, K. After K, L, M, and N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, clear it? And our question number 5th is write down the missing letters of English alphabet in capital letters. Okay, here you can see some capital letters, and we will note down the missing letters. Okay, let's do start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. So students, you can see in question number 4th we note down the letters, only alphabet letters. Okay. And in the question number 5th we write down the capital letters. These are called capital letters. Okay. And our question number 2nd is write down the missing letters of English alphabet in small letters. Okay. यहाँ हम क्या करेंगे, स्मॉल लेटर्स के हम जो लेटर्स हैं वो लिखेंगे. ऊपर हमने कैपिटल लेटर्स लिखे हैं, तो यहाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में हम स्मॉल लेटर्स लिखेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स वी डू स्टार्ट. B, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, clear it? Now you can see the question number 7 is circle the letter which is not in the right order of the English alphabet. ओके तो बच्चों यहाँ हमें क्या करना है, जो ये लेटर्स दिए हुए हैं इसमें हमें जो करेक्ट अल्फ़ाबेट जो सीक्वेंस है उसमें नहीं दिया हुआ है उसको सर्किल करना है. ओके लेट्स डू स्टार्ट. नंबर 1 A B C D E, E के बाद R, एंड व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर E? Yes, F, and here you can see R. So this is wrong. Okay, तो यहाँ हम क्या करेंगे, R को सर्किल करेंगे. ओके सेकंड देखिए J K L, L के बाद क्या दिया हुआ है Z, एंड L के बाद क्या आएगा M. सो दिस इज इन द रॉन्ग ऑर्डर. ओके so here we circle the Z. Okay, so students, I hope you all are understanding this very well. Okay, so today आज का आपका दिस इज योर होमवर्क. ये जो भी आपको मैंने करवाया है ये आपको आपकी नोटबुक में करना है. ओके एंड आपको ये कैपिटल और स्मॉल लेटर्स जो दिए हैं आपको बिल्कुल प्रॉपर 4 लाइन में लिखने हैं. इसके साथ ही मैं आपको कल प्रॉपर 4 लाइन में कैपिटल्स एंड स्मॉल लेटर्स लिख करके आपको एक पिक भेजूंगी. ओके तो आप उसको चेक कर लेना. ओके तब तक के लिए स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. कल हम दोबारा मिलेंगे. ओके.